Hi everyone, this is your friend Sumeet Nagdev here. I hope you and your family are fine. I have a very important message for all the parents. While we all have restrictions for outside activities and learning, it should not hamper holistic development of your child. I am the one has launched YoGo, which will take care of daily wholesome activities covering physical, skills and knowledge aspects. And do not worry about increase in screen time, as it is meant for lots of actual activities and using screen for direction only. Your kids will get hundreds of learning and activities and right at home with horizontal exploration for music, art, dance, sports and beyond. The app also includes beyond academics like life skills, Indian and international languages, general knowledge, logical thinking, IQ and EQ improvisation, future technology and so much more. It will help them find their interests, skills and aptitude. Just visit www.imtheone.co and start their holistic development journey today. I sincerely hope your children get to meet their teachers and gurus very soon, but till then, let them keep learning at home with YoGo. And I hope you stay safe and take care. Bye-bye.